Hello everyone and welcome to our Facebook page. Today we will see how to make different crafts using different things which is available to us at our homes. So at first we have made a flower with the vase. You can see now we will make a car using the cardboard. We have cutted the different shapes of the cardboard and now we are making the wheels after making the body of the car. So we are using a straw and a cap of bottle to make the wheels of the car, and your car is almost ready, you can see. Next we will use a paper cup to make a rotating fan. Now we are adding the texture and a toothpick and your fan is ready to rotate. Next we will use a straw to make a caterpillar. We have to give many cuts to it. You can see how we are giving the cuts and you have to give it very patiently. You can see how small cuts we are giving to it, and after giving the cuts we will use marker to add the texture to the caterpillar and you can see it is ready. So now again we are using a paper cup and a straw and a bottle to make elephant filter. You can see the filter is ready. Now you can fill anything to it and it will work. You can fill the cup with it. Next again we are using a straw and a paper clip to make a beautiful decorative. You can see how enjoyable it is looking. Next again we are using some straw and we are giving it a heart shape and pasting it with other straw. You can see we have completed the craft and now we will merge it all and we are making a big round shape, and again we will use a blue color paper and we'll paste it all along to make a giant circle, and you can see it is ready. Now we are using a circular paper and we have made a rabbit on it, and we will use some straws to make the hands and the legs of the rabbit. You can see it is playable now. Next again we are using different straws to make a craft with the snail and the leaves. So we have already made the leaves. Now we will make the snail. We are making the body of the snail with different color straw. You can see how we are using both the straws to make the body, and now the snail is ready and paste it on the leaves. So again we are using some earbuds to give the texture on the paper of a tree. We are using green color and yellow color, and now we will make the trunk of the tree, and you can see how beautiful it is looking now, and of course a sun and with the birds. So here we are using a plastic and we are coloring it to give the texture to the paper, and now we will make the trunk of the tree, and you can see how beautiful all the three trees are looking, and we'll spread some white color to it. Thank you very much for watching the video.